Hi, welcome to this video. To fix YouTube lagging and buffering, lower the video quality or clear your app and browser cache. So open the YouTube video, right? You may hear a noise, so please ignore that. Outside this video.
رجعت المدارس كثرت المصاريف، لا تخلي السيارة تزودها. تطبيق سيارة مسوي عروض قوية للعودة.
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap the gear icon and tap quality, and from 1080p or 4K you can just lower it down to 720 or 480. So the quality for current video 480p, right? So I'm gonna choose auto here just in case, if I have a weak connection, then automatically YouTube will switch to a lower resolution to speed things up. So next, you can clear the cache or offload, right? So head over to settings, general, iPhone storage, and wait for a few moments. Tap YouTube, hit offload, and double click here to confirm your choice, and reinstall again, keeping your data and login credentials intact, right? On Android, go to settings, apps, YouTube, storage, clear cache. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and don't forget to update the app if it needs to be updated.